So as you can see, I'm almost at the end of it. Okay, so I just continue the same way until I got here. You put one bead to cross each thread, then you use each thread to enter one side of the bead. Okay, just as I'm doing this way. But remember, when you are doing it, you tighten your thread very hard so that your work can be very firm. Okay, so this is the last one. So I'll just enter here and also use my other thread to enter here. Okay. So now I'll pick one to end it this way. So now we are done with the main bag. Okay, we just attach the handle, then our bag is ready to be used. So for us to end our excess thread, we just pass through several beads, but I'm not going to pass straight. I'll have to pass in a zigzag form so that my thread will not be crossing those nice loops. I hope you understand. So I'll just enter here. Okay, now I'll enter here. I hope you can see. I'll also enter here. I'm just bringing the two threads together. So after I brought this to one point, I'll also bring the other one to come and meet it. So I'll bring this to come in. I'll bring this thread to come and meet this one here. This one here. So I'll do the same thing. So the two threads are meeting at one point now. So I'll just make a knot. I'll just make a knot, or I'll tie a knot. Very hard. At this point, my thread, the two threads are long, so I'll just use my hand to tighten it. So now our bag is ready. So I'll just come back. This is not necessary, but I'm just doing that to secure my thread. It's not really necessary. You can just cut your thread after tying the knot. So now I'll just cut my thread. So now the main bag is ready. We will just fix the handle, and that is not difficult at all. So this is my handle. Okay, this is it. So I feel that it's too loose or long for me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a knot in the middle just to make it come together a little. Okay, so this is not necessary if you are able to get your own very puffy. Okay, so this is it. So now this openable hook here, that's what I'm just going to use to hook the middle of the bag. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3. So this is the middle. Here is the middle. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So here is the middle. So I'll just use it to hook it this way. Then I'll do the same thing at the other side. I'll count 1 2 3. So this is the middle. I'll just open 1 2 3. So I'll just open and then I hook it here as well. Okay, so now our bag is finally ready. We just put our pouch inside and then the bag is done. So this is our final look. Yeah, this is our final look. But I have a good news for us all who cannot get this handle, this satin handle. You can equally use this. Okay, you can equally use this handle. You just fix it the same way we fix the satin handle. You just hook it to the side. If you are using two, then you have to hook it at this side, but if you are using one, you can just hook it in the middle and then you are good to go. So yeah, that is it. This is it. This is our bag. This is our final work.
Thank you very much for watching up to this point. I'll be glad to see your work, or remember to follow me on all my social media. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.